Friends, before we start today's video, my eyes are filled with tears and my voice is overwhelmed with emotion. The situation is such that my blood is boiling with anger, and after watching this video, yours will too. Dear friends, our lives, wealth, and everything dear to us are sacrifices for Allah, His beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, our religion, and our holy book. Therefore, at the very start of this video, I urge you to send countless curses upon those who insult our religion, our holy book, and the honor of our Prophet. Also, raise your hands in prayer with me and ask Allah to completely annihilate anyone who desecrates our sacred book or even thinks of doing so, and turn this world into a living hell for them. Ameen. On the first day of Eid al-Adha, a vile and accursed man desecrated the Holy Quran in Sweden, shocking Muslims around the world. This despicable act was followed by another shameful incident just 2 days later, involving a Jewish woman who dared to go even further. She not only desecrated the Quran, but attempted to burn it as well. However, Allah's justice is swift and absolute. As she tried to set the Quran on fire, the burning pages flew into the air and one landed on her hair. The fire spread quickly, burning her hair and clothes. In no time she was engulfed in flames, a clear sign of divine wrath. Even after all of this, Allah did not take her life. She now lies in an ICU, caught between life and death, enduring severe agony. Friends, can there be a clearer example of Allah's power and justice? This incident is not just a punishment for her actions, but a warning for all those who dare to insult Islam or its sacred symbols. We, as Muslims, find solace in knowing that no act of disrespect goes unnoticed by our Creator. May Allah continue to show His signs and protect our faith. The entire Muslim Ummah has risen in condemnation of these disgraceful acts. Countries like Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Iran, and Egypt have expressed their outrage. Morocco and Jordan have gone as far as recalling their ambassadors from Sweden. In Iraq, angry protesters stormed the Swedish embassy to express their fury. What makes this incident even more troubling is that it was carried out under the pretense of freedom of expression. The perpetrator, an Iraqi-origin man named Salwan Momika, not only admitted to the act, but stated that he demanded a ban on the Quran, God forbid. The Swedish authorities, under pressure from their legal framework, allowed this demonstration, citing it as an exercise in free speech. This misuse of freedoms to incite hatred is unacceptable. It not only offends billions of Muslims worldwide, but also fosters an environment of animosity and division. Leaders in Turkey have rightly pointed out that such acts should not be tolerated, and Sweden's NATO membership bid has come under renewed scrutiny as a result. Dear friends, this incident is a reminder for us to strengthen our connection with Allah and remain steadfast in our faith. As Muslims, we must respond to such provocations with wisdom, unity, and resilience. While our anger is justified, it is equally important to channel it into constructive actions. Let this incident remind us of the importance of standing together as an ummah. We must raise our voices collectively, not just in condemnation, but in spreading the true message of Islam. Islam is a religion of peace, tolerance, and justice, and we must exemplify these values in all our actions. Dear brothers and sisters, this is not just a video. It is a call to action for every Muslim to renew their commitment to the Quran and the teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. Spread this video and its message as widely as possible. Let the world know that Muslims will not tolerate any disrespect toward their religion. Increase your recitation of the Quran and reflect upon its teachings. The Quran is not just a book, it is a guide for life. Let us set aside our differences and unite as one strong Muslim community. Together, we can combat Islamophobia and ensure our voices are heard. Pray for the strength and protection of Muslims around the world and take meaningful steps to educate others about the beauty of Islam. Let us conclude this video with a heartfelt dua. O Allah, You are the most merciful, the most powerful, and the most just. we turn to you in these trying times, seeking your help and guidance. O Allah, protect our religion, our holy Quran, and the honor of our beloved Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. O Allah, punish those who dare to insult your sacred book and religion. Turn their plans against them and make them a lesson for all humanity. O Allah, guide the misguided, open their hearts to the truth, and bring them closer to Islam. Strengthen the Muslim Ummah, unite us in faith, and grant us the courage to defend Islam with wisdom, patience, and perseverance. O Allah, forgive our shortcomings, keep us steadfast on the straight path, and grant us the honor of being among those who defend your religion. O most merciful, grant us peace in our hearts and strength in our actions. Ameen, Ya Rabb al-Alameen. Friends, let this video be a source of inspiration for all of us. Write Ameen in the comments, share this message far and wide, and do not forget to curse the enemies of Islam. You are watching Mystical Islam. Take care of yourself and others, especially those in need. Until we meet again in the next video with a new topic, may Allah guide and protect you all. Allah Hafiz.